Hello wonderful and beautiful people, welcome back again. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming back again. Please, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and after watching this video, make sure you like and drop a comment, and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified when I post a new video. So today I'm going to transform this little cutie's hair from this short natural hair form to a beautiful school hairstyle. So just stay by and watch me transform her hair from this form to a beautiful hairstyle. So let's just get right into today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, what are you doing? Subscribe for more hair tutorials, because I do hair tutorials. I drop hair care videos, I drop hair tips and so on and so forth. Everything about hair, that's what I do on this channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Support your girl. Subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget, before you start making this type of natural hairstyle for your child, for your ward, for whoever, make sure the natural hair is well moisturized. Make sure you've combed it well, so it will be easy for you to navigate through the hair the way I'm doing. You will find it easy to pattern, and you will find it easy to weave. So make sure you moisturize. Moisturizing is key. The hairstyle I'm making is Underhand Cornrow. Here in Nigeria, we call it African Didi. This cornrow helps to make hair very full. If you want your child's hair to be full, if you want your hair to be full within like months, you can try Underhand Cornrow. It makes the hair full and it makes the hair grow, and it keeps the hair from breaking also. So I'm doing this hair because she has a short natural hair, so it keeps her hair secured for like a week or two. So this hairstyle lasts long. If you want to carry your hair for like 2 weeks, this hairstyle is for you. And to moisturize, like I said earlier, you can use water and just shea butter to moisturize a natural hair. You don't need to go all the way out because you want to moisturize. You want to get the hair moisturized. You can use water. Just pour water in a spray bottle. Just spray the hair with some water and apply your shea butter. But for this baby's hair, I used water and Mazuri Kids Hair Moisturizer. That is what I use. You can use any kids hair. Oh no, not kids hair moisturizer. I use kids hair leave-in conditioner. Yeah. You can use water and any leave-in conditioner you want, but you can just use the basics. Water and shea butter is enough. But if you want to get any leave-in conditioner, you can use it to make the hair more softer and easy to weave. Also, let me remind you, I post new videos every Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays by 6 p.m. Nigerian time. So you know what to do. Turn on the notification bell, so when I post, you get notified. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.